Alright, here's part 2 to question number 13. This is the same thing. We're going to graph the following. We're going to write shading and top of line here. So let's start off with our equation. It is what we said earlier, like in standard type form where the x and y are together. We want to convert this into what we know is something similar to the slope-intercept form, where instead of equal we'll have a greater than sign, or we'll have an inequality there. But we do want y equals mx plus b form. So they got to get the y by itself. So I'm going to move the x over. So subtract 3x to both sides. When I do this, my 3x's cancel out and I got minus y is greater than 4 minus 3x. Now remember, we talked about this. You cannot have a negative with a variable. So that means I'm really kind of dividing everything by -1 because there's really imaginary -1 there. So that's how we really mathematically do it. But we really just say in class that we're just going to switch, just change the sign. So I'm going to leave, so our negative y is going to be positive. Now because of that, because we had to divide a negative, we flip our inequality. And now instead of a positive 4, we have a -4. Instead of a -3, we have a plus 3x. Alright, so I'm going to graph this. I'm going to start with my y-intercept at -4. I'll do it in a different, we'll do it in black. So we're going to start at -4, which is right here. And I'm going to go, remember the rise over run, so we have 3, so we'll put a 1 underneath it, so it's rise over run. So I'm going to go up 3, 1, 2, 3 over 1, 1, 2, 3 over 1, 1, 2, 3 over 1. Okay, so I'll try to erase these little marks here. So there's our line. The only thing we got to watch out for is what kind of line are we going to draw, because it's and less than or greater than. There's no equal to, so we'll have a dashed line. So I'm going to draw a dashed line here. And there's my dashed line. Now we get to pick a point. We can pick a point on either side of the line. And so I always like to pick 0, 0, which is right here. I'm picking 0, 0, which is right here. And so I put 0 in for my equation. And you can see it's 0 is less than -4. Is 0 less than -4? That is no, which means false. So this side is false on the side of 0, 0. That means this side is true, and we shade the true side.